Hey YouTube, what up? It's me, the J-Man 63. Today, from my kitchen, I got a little unboxing for you guys. It's from Dycast models wholesale.com. I tell you what, man, their packing game is on point here. We got some cool stuff getting ready to hit the channel, as you can see. Just all kinds of cool stuff. We got Auto Worlds, we got Johnny Lightnings. Just a little sneak peek for you guys. Not really going to unbox these, just going to show you guys how on point DMW is with the pack game. For real, these guys mean it when it comes to like packing their stuff nice and tight. So, just a little show off of the goods before I actually show the goods off. Not bad, DMW. Good packing game. Came all in this box, about 12 cars total. Remember to use coupon code NEXT to get at least 10% off your next purchase. Well, 10% off your next purchase. Alright guys, see ya. More to come.